Alright, let's start this off. Did you know if you go to library, you have to go over here to make sure you go into applications and go down and go to unknown sources. But now, unknown sources is over here with its own tab. So did you know you can just go right here, click this tab, and now all your unknown sources is right here. Did you know that you can customize this dock down here? So I can go to remote display, unpin that, and then, hey, maybe I like zero caliber too. Click those three dots, hit pin the universal menu, and boom, there you go. The 3 favorite apps that you play all the time will be right here. Unfortunately, you cannot remove Horizon Feed, which I wish I could, and Horizon Store. I wish I could, but you cannot remove those 2. But you have the option to put any 3 that you want right here. Did you know if you hold the power button, it now gives you the ability to put it in sleep mode? So did you know you can put it in sleep mode? Before that button never existed. Also, fun fact, this is the quickest way to do an update. Because you see this update before powering off? This is the way I get my updates all the time. Because for some reason, when I go into systems and go to updates, it don't show. But if you occasionally turn your headset off, that update button is going to show up. And you click power off, and then it starts your update. So that's how I be getting all my updates, because I try to turn it off at least twice a day. Did you know if you go to your settings and you go to systems and you go to camera, did you know you can adjust your audio and your app audio? It would adjust my mic audio and it would adjust my application audio, the sound I'm hearing right now. So did you know you can actually change that? Hope you knew that.